Have you ever seen videos where the night sky dances with glowing green and purple waves? It looks magical, but it isn't magical at all. Those breathtaking lights are called the Northern Lights or Aurora Borealis, and every time they appear, the Earth and the Sun are performing one of the most beautiful scientific dances in nature. Welcome back everyone. Let's discover what really paints our sky with light. Auroras happen mainly near the North Pole and South Pole. In the north we call it Aurora Borealis and in the south Aurora Australis. They appear only near the poles because that's where Earth's magnetic field opens slightly towards space. Our magnetic field normally acts like a huge invisible shield protecting us from radiation. But near the poles, it lets a few energetic visitors sneak in. Everything starts with the sun. The sun is constantly blowing a stream of charged particles, electrons and protons called the solar wind. When a powerful solar flare erupts, that wind becomes stronger and rushes toward Earth at nearly 1,000,000 km per hour. Most of those particles are deflected away, but a few follow Earth's magnetic field lines and dive into the atmosphere near the poles. This is where the real light show begins. When those high-speed particles hit atoms of oxygen and nitrogen high in the sky, about 80 to 500 kilometers above us, the atoms absorb energy and become excited. Just like us after too much caffeine, they can't hold that energy for long. So they release it again, not as heat, but as light. That burst of light is what we see as glowing curtains that ripple and shimmer across the sky. Different gases create different colors. Oxygen glows green when it's low in the atmosphere and red when it's higher. Nitrogen gives off blue and violet shades. When all these blend together, we get the mesmerizing ribbons of light photographers chase across Arctic nights. Now you might wonder, where on Earth can we actually see this magical light show? When it happens in the Northern Hemisphere, it's called the Aurora Borealis or simply the Northern Lights. We can witness them in Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland, Canada, Alaska, Greenland and Russia. And when it occurs in the Southern Hemisphere, it's called the Aurora Australis or Southern Lights. These are rarer to see, but you can still catch them in New Zealand, Australia and Antarctica. So, the closer you are to the Earth's magnetic poles, the brighter the aurora looks. That's why you'll mostly see them in high latitude regions near the Arctic and Antarctic circles. These lights usually appear during the winter months, when the nights are long and dark, making the colors dance brilliantly across the sky. So, the next time you see pictures of the glowing sky, remember, that's not just beauty, that's pure physics glowing in the dark. Thanks a lot for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share for more amazing nature facts.